Hi guys, air fryers have become increasingly popular in recent years as a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying. They are kitchen appliances that use hot air to cook food, creating a crispy and flavorful outer layer similar to that achieved through deep frying, but with significantly less oil or even none at all. Air frying has gained popularity due to its ability to reduce the number of unhealthy fats and calories in fried foods, making it a healthier cooking option. Here is our list of best air fryers of 2024 you may buy now. So, let's get started. Number 10. Nuwave Brio 6 Quart Healthy Digital Smart. Consistent cooking temperature. Other air fryers can deviate from their targeted temperature by as much as 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The Brio makes sure that the temperature you set is the temperature you get by checking the temperature inside the unit 120 times per second. With Brio, your food comes out perfectly crispy every time. Brand Nuwave. Even heating, the Nuwave Brio's unique cooking chamber ensures that the superheated air generated by the Brio circulates around your food, cooking it from all sides at the same time. This is facilitated by the patented fry pan basket design with its stainless steel meshed basket net and holes in the basket walls to ensure the hot air cooks your food from every direction. The next is Number 9. Deluxe Electric Air Fryer Plus Oven. The DCAF 250 GBRD02 Air-Crisp Pro Air Fryer Plus Oven is a compact and multifunctional appliance that combines air frying, baking, and toasting capabilities. With a 6-quart capacity, it's suitable for small to medium-sized families. Brand Dash. The sleek and minimalist design fits well in any kitchen. The intuitive control panel and adjustable temperature settings provide ease of use. The oven feature adds extra versatility, making it more than just an air fryer. However, due to its smaller size, it might not be ideal for larger families or entertaining guests. The next is Number 8. COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. The COSORI Pro 2 is another best air fryer oven combo, a versatile and feature-rich appliance that offers not only air frying but also baking, roasting, and more. Its spacious 26.4 quart capacity makes it suitable for families or those who love to cook in larger batches. Model name CAF Pro. The sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen. With 12 preset functions and user-friendly controls, cooking a wide variety of dishes becomes a breeze. The multiple included accessories further enhance its versatility. The next is Number 7. Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer Plus Oven. The Tasti-Crisp Best Electric Air Fryer 2024 is a compact and affordable option that promises crispy and healthier fried food with little to no oil. Its sleek design and vibrant color choices add a fun touch to any kitchen. With straightforward controls and a 2.6 quart capacity, it's perfect for individuals or couples. Brand Dash. The rapid hot air circulation ensures even cooking, resulting in tasty dishes without the guilt. However, due to its smaller size, it might not be the best choice for larger families or when cooking for guests. Some users have reported occasional issues with the non-stick coating, so gentle cleaning and maintenance are essential. The next is Number 6. Instant Pot Vortex Pro Air Fryer 10 Quart. The Instant Pot Vortex Pro 10 Quart is a beast of an air fryer, perfect for families who need a high-capacity cooking appliance. Its 10-quart size makes it ideal for cooking large meals or batch cooking. The wide range of cooking presets and customizable options ensure a variety of culinary delights. Brand Instant Pot. The broil and dehydrate functions add extra versatility to this already impressive kitchen companion. However, due to its substantial size, the Instant Pot Vortex Pro might not be suitable for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. Additionally, its higher wattage may lead to slightly higher energy consumption compared to smaller models. The next is Number 5. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone. Independent baskets. The original air fryer with two independent baskets the XL air fryer lets you cook 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Brand Ninja. Smart Finish and Match Cook. DualZone technology allows you to choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the Match Cook button to easily copy settings across zones for full 8 QT capacity. 6in1 functionality includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The baskets can be washed in the dishwasher or by hand. The next is Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 Quart Air Fryer Dash. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quart Air Fryer strikes a balance between size and capacity, making it suitable for most households. The user-friendly interface with multiple cooking modes ensures convenience and ease of use. Brand Instant Pot. Its even cooking capabilities and rapid cooking times are commendable, resulting in delicious, crispy dishes. However, some users have experienced durability issues with certain components over time, warranting careful handling and maintenance. While cooking, the exterior of the Instant Vortex Plus can get quite hot, necessitating caution during use. The next is Number 3. COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE 5 QT Air Fryer. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro impresses with its generous capacity, making it a top choice for families and those who love cooking in larger batches. Its sleek and modern design adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen. 85% oil less. The intuitive controls and preset functions make cooking a variety of dishes a breeze. However, some users have reported occasional uneven cooking results, which may require minor adjustments. While it offers great performance overall, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro's bulkiness might be an issue for those with limited counter space. Despite this, the next is Number 2. Nuwave Brio 15.5 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie. Make adjustments on the fly. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Control time and temperature anytime in the cooking process. Brio's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Color black. Digital controls set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Unlike the primitive methods that regulate temperature by turning the heater on and off, our heater never turns off while cooking. Powerful convection fan. Brio is an air fryer oven with a powerful 5-inch convection fan. It's top-mounted and promotes unrivaled cyclonic convection circulation. The next is Number 1. Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer. Cook like, masterful cooking, deliciously simple. The Dreo ChefMaker combines food science and chef mastery to deliver the most perfectly cooked meals. Taste perfectly cooked steaks, succulent tender salmon, and flavorful juicy chicken breasts, all with just the press of a button. Model name ChefMaker. Bring world-class cooking to your kitchen. Combi Cook translates the techniques of chefs into a smart algorithm that lets ChefMaker control all the cooking through its precise cook probe, water atomization, and super convection heating systems. Unlike traditional cookers, ChefMaker automatically divides the cooking process into steps, resulting in a perfect balance of doneness, browning, juiciness, and aroma. So this is the best option for you to buy.